Tesla's smartphone Pi might be the most advanced mobile phone on earth, launching in 2022 and offering great features that will help us get more with significant improvement. And we're excited to share the latest news. I think everyone is familiar with what you can find in today's phone market, but the Tesla Pi phone is going to shake things up with its features. So watch this video until the end if you want to know all the details and the possible price of the new smartphone. Tesla Pi is a product of Elon Musk's Tesla company. If the rumors are true, it might be the latest technological piece of art and it consists of some impressive characteristics. The billionaire Elon Musk has already created many inventions in many different fields such as science and technology. His products show the perfect balance between high-end technology and sustainable innovation. This latest smartphone is just another example of his beautiful work. We've compiled a list of its main features in the current video. Musk and his colleagues have been working on this smartphone for several years, offering us the future we've always anticipated. It's an entirely new venture for the company and the value quality. Tesla's product will be an innovator in what is to come in the future of smartphones. In fact, it's been said that this smartphone is smarter than a few humans. Several details and muscles regarding this intriguing model have been revealed. We're very excited to share them with you. Tesla Car and Pi phone. Tesla's next project will soon connect your phones and cars with the smoothest interface possible. Cars can be driven by the Pi phone. The smartphone will be equipped with cutting-edge technology to match Tesla's automobiles. It means you can use your phone hands-free while driving. Input your location into maps and let your phone's GPS guide you. This is where transportation progresses to the next level. We've all been waiting for this moment. The electronic vehicle has recently gained a new partner and the free upgrade, Python and Starlink. The model's linked pictures bear a strong resemblance to the iPhone 12. However, as promised, Pi will outperform its Apple's rival. If you're a fan of fast internet, the Pi phone is for you. Customers will connect to the Pi phone via the built-in Starlink Wi-Fi. Musk's own startup Starlink uses ground-based satellite to provide quick and flawless communication. With such connectivity, customers would obtain 200 megabytes per second on their cell phones from anywhere on the earth, which is currently unavailable in even the most expensive phones. With this unique feature, we can confirm that the techno giant will decorate his first smartphone with all of the amazing benefits he can. The Tesla Pi is the first satellite phone available to the general population with its amazing capacity. While Iridium and Thoria are available, they are only accessible to multinational corporations or millionaires. Python and Neuralink. Musk's Neuralink project aims to allow radically challenged people to interact with technology in the same way that everyone else. Neuralink is a fully inserted wireless brain-machine system that enables customers to control their devices through text or voice commands. If the person is paralyzed, a Neuralink device implanted in their body will function based on their neurological activity. This is one of Elon Musk's most groundbreaking discoveries, and its inclusion in the Tesla Pi will make it the most advanced smartphone ever created. Python and Google cooperation. Much appreciated and equally anticipated Google Starlink cooperation will also play a key role in offering a fantastic experience for its consumers. If you haven't heard, this cooperation combines ground-level connectivity, Starlink satellites, and Google data centers to deliver extraordinary networks throughout the world without the need for additional towers or increased radiation. As a result, the such connectivity won't harm animals and users will have instant access to the cloud, Python and crypto. Inbuilt crypto mining resources and the potential to work on Mars are the two of the most hardly discussed but eagerly awaited elements of the Tesla Pi. We are not sure if anyone will use Pi for interplanetary calls, but the Tesla model will undoubtedly provide consumers with unique crypto mining access. Musk previously stated in an interview that he wants his first smartphone to be able to mine Mars coins, and now that the Tesla Pi is actually here, everyone is anticipating excellent crypto mining resources to be built into the device. At the moment, no phone makes cryptocurrency so accessible. Tesla phone specifications. The Pi phone will be powered by one-of-a-kind, cutting-edge microprocessor designed by Musk himself, the most powerful smartphone ever. At the moment, the Snapdragon 845 is the most advanced Android processor. Simultaneously, Apple utilizes the design processor, the A15 Bionic. Compared to the Tesla Pi's processor, both of the systems are slow. But wait, there's more in the Tesla model. The Alpha Ultra Pi is a magnificent 6.9-inch Ultra display with an 8K resolution. It will undoubtedly make the Tesla Pi a liquid of proposition. This screen size will allow you to see on high quality without lagging. Surprisingly, at the moment, Sony's Xperia Z Ultra boasts the largest smartphone with a stunning 6.4-inch. This 5G smartphone is said to have a back camera with 108 megapixels, 50 megapixels, 50 megapixels, and a 5 megapixel wide lens, and a capacity to space zoom up to 200 times. This treasure is predicted to have some of the most unexpected characteristics. The phone's unique covering on the body is one of the most spectacular aesthetic surprises. The phone's special coding allows it to change color, giving it an outstanding appearance out of this world. If Musk is successful, he will be able to generate a market for the Tesla Pi that is larger than the combined markets of Apple and Samsung. If you're concerned about the Tesla Pi storage, this amazing device is said to feature 2 terabytes of flash storage and unlimited cloud storage. This capacity exceeds that of any current smartphone. That was an impressive list of features for a single smartphone, but there is more to come. Tesla's most recent Model Pi is the first of its type, as it is designed to charge itself using solar energy. Several small solar panels will be built into the phone to convert solar energy into electricity. This also means that your handset will not include a charger. If you're an Apple client, not receiving a charger is irritating, but for Tesla Pi, it means that everything is in order. If this function is enabled, we will save millions of units of electro energy around the world, and staying out in the sun will finally benefit you practically. We agree that this charging option is one of the Tesla Pi's most appreciated features because it has easily replaceable parts. The Tesla Pi will be one of the most sustainable phones ever made. As a result, consumers are more likely to fix minor hardware issues by themselves rather than flashing the entire handset or making repeated trips to professionals. The company delivers decent customer service, but it will now also give clients a detailed guide and a massive warehouse of parts. It essentially implies that you can repair or upgrade your phone from the comfort of your home. Pi phone price. And now it is time to reveal the information we've all been waiting for. If all rumors are true, the most awaited smartphone device is expected to be introduced in 2022 with the price range of $800 to $1,200. For the first satellite phone compatible with the Starlink network, this pricing range is outstandingly low. The Pi phone's low price assures that most people may experience the future model without going into debt, especially when compared to Apple's latest version, which costs $1,399. When comparing the characteristics of the iPhone 13 Pro Max to those of the Tesla Pi, this number appears even more insane. The electronics industry is about to be revolutionized thanks to the smartphone. Tesla is advancing to become a unified champion in the electronics world, overtaking well-known firms such as Samsung and Apple. To summarize, Tesla has blown our mind and people are already anticipating its debut. Without making an official announcement, Tesla has built a devoted following for the Model Pi. This demonstrates the public's faith in Elon Musk and his Tesla. He has established his original ideas and risen on top of various industries, and the smartphone will be a crowning achievement. Please smash the like button and watch more amazing insights about the Pi phone in the video, which you can now see on your screen. If you watched until the end, we really appreciate it, and we would like to hear your opinion about Pi phone in the comments. We hope you enjoyed this video the same way we enjoyed making it.